So in this video, we are required to simplify this particular algebraic expression. Well, basically, we can actually use the FOIL method, and there's another method we can use. First of all, you have to understand that what is in between this bracket is multiplication. All right, so we are going to be using this one to open this bracket. So how do we do it? We can do it this way, such that you use this to multiply the whole of this and use this to multiply the whole of this. So we can say 2x into bracket x minus 5, then plus 3 into bracket x minus 5. So this is a very simple method that will make it easier. 2x times x, that's 2x squared. 2x times minus 5, that is what? Minus 10x, okay? Then 3x times 3 times x, that's plus 3x. Then 3 times minus 5, that is minus what? 15. So the next thing is for us to simplify further. So we can say 2x squared minus 10x plus 3x will give us minus 7x, then minus what? 15. So this is the simplified form of this particular expression. I want to believe this video has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye.